According to Healthline, you should be drinking 8 ounce glasses of water per day. This is called the 8 by 8 rule, and it makes it easy to remember. Water is very essential for human life. It makes up 50 to 70% of our body weight. There are many problems that arise from not drinking enough water. We lose a lot of water every day from going to the bathroom and other things like sweating, so we need to replenish the water in our system constantly. However, not drinking enough water can lead to bad health. Today I will talk about what will happen if you aren't drinking enough water, the benefits of drinking water, and how much water you should be drinking. First, we're going to look at what happens to your body when you don't drink enough water. One question to ask yourself is, why do we need to drink water on a daily, maybe even hourly basis? The answer to that is dehydration, which is when you lose more fluid than you take in, and your body doesn't have enough water and other fluids to carry out its number of functions. And that's according to the Mayo Clinic, last edited February 15, 2018. Studies say that being dehydrated and driving can be as bad as drinking and driving. And one way to stay hydrated is you should drink a glass of water right when you wake up to boost your metabolism, because sleeping at night does make you dehydrated. And dehydration can also lead to things like muscle cramps, constipation, dry or dull skin, and if you sweat a lot, it's helpful to drink more water than the average person. So now that we talked about what can happen when you don't drink enough water, let's talk about the healthy benefits of drinking water. There are many benefits to drinking water on a daily basis. Drinking water is beneficial to our own energy supply. Our brain is mostly made up of water, so when we drink water, it helps us be more alert and focused throughout the day. It also flushes out our toxins. Water gets rid of waste through sweat and urine. According to Alex Jamieson in her book, Woman, Food, and Desire, published January 6, 2015, drinking water with fruits like cucumber, lime, and lemon helps clean out more toxins from your body, and it also tastes really good. So water is also free anywhere you go. No matter where you go, you can always get a glass of water for free, unlike a soda and alcoholic beverage, which is almost always more than $2. And then drinking water is very beneficial to our skin. So according to an article titled "The Benefits of Drinking Water for Your Skin," last updated November 9th, 2016, states, if your skin is not getting a sufficient amount of water, the lack of hydration will present itself by turning your skin dry, tight, and flaky. And dry skin has less resilience and is more prone. UW Health said claims have been made that drinking water gives you a radiant, healthier, younger looking skin. So with all that information, your next thought might be, how much water should you be drinking? So here's how much water different types of people in your life, like in life, should be drinking water. So for example, athletes like myself, we should be drinking water before, during, and after games and events. So athletes need to drink more water because they're sweating more during activity. And if you play a high intensity sport, you should be drinking more water than someone who's playing a low intensity sport like golf. And the average adult, so according to Healthline, men should drink at least 104 ounces of water per day, which is roughly 13 cups, and women should drink at least 72 ounces, which is approximate to 9 cups. And children should be drinking anywhere from 5 to 8 cups. Pregnant women should be drinking 10 cups a day and 13 while breastfeeding. And like in other instances, if you're sick or vomiting or going to the bathroom a lot, you should be drinking two cups more per day. So I know what you're thinking. Can something go bad if you drink too much water? Like, will you be on the toilet and pee forever, minutes on end? I've also thought about that question, so here's the answer. So what starts to happen in your body when you're drinking too much water? So let's take a look. According to an article titled "What Happens When You Drink Too Much Water" on the Medical News Today website, written by Arlene Semenko, published July 31st, 2017, states that all cells and organs in your body need water to function properly. However, excessive water consumption can lead to water intoxication, also known as water poisoning. Water intoxication is a disruption of brain function due to drinking too much water. Yes, it sounds very scary because it can be fatal, but it is very difficult to consume too much water, according to that same article. So many water intoxication cases have been reported, mostly in soldiers. So in conclusion, you need to be drinking water daily. If you don't drink it regularly, there are health problems that could happen. Drinking water comes with benefits. It's also a priority in life. Different people need different amounts of water to drink, but the average person needs around 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. So today we discussed the benefits of drinking water. We took a look on what would happen if we didn't drink enough water, the benefits, and how much water we should be drinking, and what can happen if we drink too much water. And drinking water on a daily basis could really improve everyone's health in the long run, and is a vital step in being a healthier human being. So when you wake up in the morning, set a goal to drink at least 10 to 12 cups of water per day, and it'll really help your health. Thank you.